Student, in this video we can learn the next combinational logic circuit, and that was the demultiplexer. Already you know the multiplexer. Multiplexer is a circuit which has a many input and the single output. Out of that many input, one can be connected toward the output at a time. That means out of many, it can select the one. That's why multiplexer is a selector circuit. Multiplexer is a many to one circuit. Exactly, demultiplexer is the opposite of the multiplexer. That means demultiplexer is the opposite process of the multiplexer. It performs the one to many output. Means demultiplexer has a single input and it has a number of the output, just like this. We can connect this one input out of these many at a time one by manually, then it is a rotary switch. मुझे अगर ऐसा ही स्विच इलेक्ट्रिकली चाहिए तो that was demultiplexer. That means again the demultiplexer has a one input, many output. One can be connected toward the output, but at a time only one output can be connected toward the input. That's why it required the another input which can connect this output and input with the help of another input and called as a select input. That means select input can connect the input toward the output. Then it is a demultiplexer. Again, the relation between the output and selected input is nothing but n equal to 2 raised to the power m, where the n is the number of the output and m is the select input. This particular block diagram is 1:n demux, 1:1 demultiplexer. That means it has n number of output, m number of select input. अगर यही सर्किट 1:4 रहा तो it required one input, 4 output and by this formula 2 select input. अगर ऐसा सर्किट है तो then it is called as a demultiplexer circuit. Of course it is a combinational logic circuit. Of course it is the opposite of the multiplexer circuit. Demultiplexer receive the one input and can distribute to the several output. That's why it is also called as a distributor circuit. अभी हमें दो सर्किट पता है, एक हमारा मल्टीप्लेक्सर है और सेकंड हमारा डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर है. Then compare it. Multiplexer is called as a mux, demultiplexer is called as a demux. Multiplexer is a many to one circuit, demultiplexer is one to many circuit. Multiplexer selector circuit, it select the one out of many. Demultiplexer distribute the circuit, it distribute one toward the many. Select input is required by formula 2 raised to the power m equal to n, where the m is the select input and n is the data input. Here select input is required by formula n equal to 2 raised to the power m, where the n is the output and m is the select input. OR gate required at the output because the one output terminal is there. हमें अगर लॉजिक डायग्राम निकालना है तो लॉजिक डायग्राम ने हमने देखा है कि लास्ट टर्मिनल पे हमने y आउटपुट निकालने के लिए OR गेट कनेक्ट किया था, क्योंकि मक्स के लिए एक ही आउटपुट होता है तो OR गेट लगेगा, वो सबकी एडिशन करेगा. बट डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर हैव द नंबर ऑफ आउटपुट, दैट्स व्हाई इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर द OR गेट at the output terminal. Multiplexer and demultiplexer all are in the form of the IC format. उसके बहुत सारे अलग अलग नंबर है, क्योंकि 4:1, 2:1, 8:1, 16:1, 32:1 सबके लिए अलग अलग IC नंबर होता है. कुछ IC में एक ही मक्स मिलेगा, कुछ IC में 2 मक्स है एंड सो ऑन. तो उसके अलग अलग नंबर है। जैसे मल्टीप्लेक्सर के लिए 74152, 74153, ये दो मल्टीप्लेक्सर है। इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे नंबर है। डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर में ऐसे 74154, 74155, 741 इज अ कॉमन, 52, 53, 54, 55 याद रहेगा। This is the multiplexer and demultiplexer. In next video we can learn the 1:4 demultiplexer.